Fasting has been practiced for centuries for religious and health reasons. From ancient civilizations to modern times, people have turned to fasting as a way to cleanse the body and mind. It's a powerful tool that can help your body heal and rejuvenate. When you fast, your body gets a break from the constant work of digestion, allowing it to focus on repair and recovery. In today's world, with our busy lives and constant access to food, we rarely give our bodies a chance to rest and repair. We are constantly consuming, often without thinking about the impact on our health. Fasting offers a way to change that. It provides an opportunity to reset and rejuvenate, both physically and mentally. Fasting is not about starving yourself, it's about giving your body a break from digestion so it can focus on other important processes, like cellular repair and detoxification. It's about mindful eating and understanding the needs of your body. During a fast, you can still drink water and other non-caloric beverages to stay hydrated. In this essay, we'll explore what happens to your body during a 36-hour fast. We'll delve into the science behind fasting and how it affects your metabolism, hormones, and overall health. We'll look at the different stages of fasting and the incredible benefits it offers. From improved mental clarity to enhanced physical performance, fasting can have a profound impact on your well-being. We'll also discuss different fasting durations and recommend foods that can enhance your fasting experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced faster, there's something for everyone. Remember, while fasting can be incredibly beneficial, it's important to consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your health and safety should always come first. Welcome to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing, and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips, advice, and inspiration. Let's discover a healthier, happier life together. Chapter 1. What happens in the first 12 hours? The moment you finish your last meal and begin your fast, your body starts making subtle shifts. During the first 8 hours, your body digests and absorbs the food you last consumed. This is the period when your body is primarily running on glucose, the sugar derived from food, as its main energy source. Your digestive system is hard at work breaking down the nutrients and distributing them throughout your body. This process ensures that your cells receive the necessary energy to function optimally. As the hours pass, your body continues to utilize the glucose available in your bloodstream. This is why you might still feel relatively energetic and alert during this initial phase. Around the 8-hour mark, your glucose stores start to deplete, and your body begins to transition into a fasted state. This is where the magic starts to happen. Your body, now low on glucose, begins to look for alternative energy sources. It starts to break down stored fats into molecules called ketones, which can be used as a new source of energy. This metabolic shift is known as ketosis. At about 12 hours, your body enters this metabolic state called ketosis. This means your body is now tapping into its fat reserves for energy, breaking down fats into ketones. Ketones are an efficient fuel source for your brain and body. This shift often leads to increased mental clarity and focus, as your brain thrives on this steady supply of energy. You might also notice that your hunger pangs subside as your body adapts to using stored fat for fuel. This adaptation can make fasting feel more manageable and even enjoyable. As your body continues to adjust, you may experience a sense of well-being and satisfaction. This is because ketones are not only a powerful energy source, but also have neuroprotective benefits. This state of ketosis can help improve cognitive function, making you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. You might also notice that your hunger pangs subside as your body adapts to using stored fat for fuel. This metabolic flexibility is one of the key benefits of intermittent fasting, helping you maintain energy levels and mental clarity. Chapter 2. Hours 13 to 24. As you move past the 12-hour mark, your body delves deeper into the fat-burning zone. Around 13 hours into your fast, your growth hormone levels begin to rise. Growth hormone plays a crucial role in muscle growth, fat metabolism, and cell repair. This surge in growth hormone helps your body burn fat more effectively and preserves your muscle mass. For men, there's an added benefit: increased testosterone levels. Testosterone is essential for building muscle, maintaining bone density, and boosting energy levels. Around the 15-hour mark, you'll experience another significant benefit: reduced inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal, but chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases. fasting helps lower C-reactive protein, a marker for inflammation. Some studies suggest that fasting may even help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Chapter 3. The Wonders of a 24-plus-hour Fast. As you cross the 24-hour fasting threshold, you enter a realm of profound cellular cleansing and repair. This is a transformative period where your body begins to undergo significant changes that can have lasting benefits. This is where autophagy takes center stage. Autophagy is a crucial process that helps maintain cellular health by removing damaged components. Autophagy is your body's way of taking out the trash, cleaning up damaged cells, and making way for new, healthy ones. This process is essential for preventing the accumulation of cellular debris that can lead to various health issues. Think of it as your body's internal recycling system. Just like recycling helps the environment, autophagy helps your body stay clean and efficient. Autophagy helps protect you from various diseases including cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. By removing damaged cells, it reduces the risk of these conditions developing. It's like giving your body a complete overhaul at the cellular level. This cellular repair can lead to improved overall health and longevity. During this extended fasting period, your gut also gets a chance to rest and repair. This downtime is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The lining of your gut, which plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption and immune function, gets a chance to rejuvenate. A healthy gut lining is essential for preventing leaky gut syndrome and other digestive issues. This can lead to improved digestion, reduced bloating, and a stronger immune system. A well-functioning gut is key to overall health and well-being. The benefits of a 24-hour fast extend far beyond weight loss. It's a holistic approach to health that impacts various aspects of your body. It's a time for deep internal healing. This period allows your body to reset and rejuvenate, promoting a sense of overall well-being and balance. Chapter 4. The 36-hour mark. Unlocking deep cellular repair. Reaching the 36-hour mark of your fast is a significant accomplishment. By this point, your body has fully transitioned into a fat-adapted state, efficiently burning stored fat for energy. Your energy levels might even be higher than usual due to the increased production of ketones. The benefits of autophagy, the cellular cleansing process, are amplified, further promoting cellular rejuvenation and reducing your risk of age-related diseases. Many people report feeling incredibly clear-headed and focused during this time. The 36-hour fast is like hitting the reset button on your body, allowing it to repair and regenerate deeply. It's important to remember that individual experiences may vary. Listen to your body and break your fast if you experience any severe discomfort. Chapter 5. Finding your fasting rhythm. Different durations and benefits. The beauty of fasting is that it's not one size fits all. You can experiment with different fasting durations to find what works best for your body and lifestyle. A 16-8 intermittent fast, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window, is an excellent starting point for beginners. Once you're comfortable with shorter fasts, you can gradually increase the duration. A 24-hour fast, once or twice a week, can provide significant benefits, including enhanced autophagy and gut repair. For those seeking more profound cellular cleansing and potential weight loss, a 36-hour fast once a month can be highly effective. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to choose a fasting schedule that you can stick to long-term, rather than attempting an extreme fast that you can't maintain. Chapter 6. Fueling your fast foods that enhance the journey. While you're abstaining from food during your fast, it's essential to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. You can also incorporate certain beverages and foods during your eating window to maximize the benefits of your fast. Avocado is an excellent choice to break your fast, providing healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Coffee, in moderation, can enhance fat burning and improve mental clarity. Green tea is another great option, offering antioxidants and potential anti-cancer properties. Tangerines can provide a refreshing boost of vitamins, while olive oil, consumed cold-pressed, offers healthy fats and anti-inflammatory benefits. Adding turmeric with black pepper to your meals can further enhance the anti-inflammatory and cellular repair processes. Chapter 7. A word of caution, safety and consulting your doctor. Fasting can be incredibly beneficial, but it's crucial to approach it with caution. Always consult your doctor before starting any new fasting regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, are taking medications, are pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Listen to your body and break your fast immediately if you experience any severe discomfort or adverse reactions. It's also essential to avoid overeating during your eating windows. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods to nourish your body after a fast. Fasting should be approached as a tool for improving your health and well-being, not as a quick fix or a restrictive diet. Chapter 8. Conclusion. Embracing the transformative power of fasting. Fasting, particularly a 36-hour fast, can be a transformative experience for your body and mind. From boosting cellular repair and reducing inflammation to enhancing brain function and promoting weight loss, the benefits of fasting are numerous. By understanding the stages of fasting and incorporating it safely into your lifestyle, you can unlock its incredible potential. Remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and consult your doctor to ensure it's right for you. Embrace the power of fasting and embark on a journey of rejuvenation and optimal health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You'll find plenty of inspiration, practical tips, and advice to live a healthier and happier life.